Do not say I think before any more of your sentences unless you want people to stop listening to you. When you say I think before you say a sentence, it's like saying the word actually. Because if you really think about it, we know that the thing that you're saying out loud was thought in your head. So don't tell us redundant information. But even more than just the legitimate logistical stuff, I want you to think of it like this. If you really were confident, would you say I think? Would you offer your thoughts? Or would you give your beliefs? Would you give your facts, figures, and statistics? Would you give your story? I'll tell you like this. I was in the middle of a board meeting with a number of different board members, not my board meeting, not a board I'm on. So I don't really have a place here except for the fact that I'm helping with a project. Well, one of the board members said that they wanted something to happen with this new install. I said, that won't work. Imagine if I'd have said to somebody, I don't think that will work. Who cares? That's the other part. No one cares what you think. They care what you know. They care what you can prove. They care what you understand. Your thoughts mean nothing to me. It's a fact of life. So don't say I think beforehand, because then somebody, especially a narcissist, will pick up on the thought and then attack your thought, and now your actual thought doesn't actually lead to any actual movement. Take it out of your vocabulary, and that'll help you be a boss. Get your point across, and ultimately, stop you from sounding stupid.